What? Hey guys, how you doing? So, excuse me. We got a mail call, and check it out. I went ahead and unboxed it and all to save all the time. CaptCook sent these in to me. Neil, I appreciate you, brother. I've done been in it, so don't worry about the package. These are really cool though. They have let me put on my glasses so I can read everything properly. So it's like I had a set of these before. I can't remember who said it. I want to say Love My Drones Ed or somebody. But anyway, I gave them to my dad, and you can see here they do from 1 times magnification all the way up to 3.5, and it's 555 millimeter to 156. Oh, field of view. It's okay. So yeah, it's got a light and all onto it. So let's go ahead and get into it. You can see on the box here, sewing clothes, painting. We'll be doing it for mechanical repair, like boards and stuff like that. And see what else. It's got handcraft for stuff, preparation of flowers. I guess you need to see to do that, and reading books. Comes with quite a bit of stuff in there. It's got a strap, arms, you know, like your glasses. It's got a case, and it holds all the lens. So let's go ahead and show you all that. Good instructions. Everything about them tells you. It's in some Chinese. You can read the Chinese. Go for it. But decent, clear instructions. Tells you all about how it works. Takes 3 AAA batteries. I hope we're in frame here. So these are the arms, because on mine I prefer to have the strap, you know. And then when you're not working, you can just, you know, think, you know, let me show you. Kind of think like this, so when you're not working, you can just tilt this up. Now, this has an LED, bright one too. I mean, pretty bright. On and off switch there. It takes 3 AA batteries in here, 1 down under them too. Make sure you got it in good or it won't go. The nose piece here, you can adjust that bends in and out. You might have to widen, you got a wide schnauzer like yourself. But it adjusts, it's pretty cool. This moves, good bit of distance. Let's go ahead and get one of those things out. So here's the tray that all the lenses are in, kept in. Like I said, go from 1.0 magnification all the way up to 3.5. Really good to have all these magnifications for smaller things. Comes with a nice cloth here to give her a wipe down, keep fingerprints off so you can see clear. Let's go ahead and attach it. Like I said, I'm most sure it was Ed, I could be wrong, but somebody had told me about these and I grabbed the set. But here's what you're working with. Kind of like so. When you're not working, you just flip that up, or you flip up the whole piece, get it out of your way, and then the light also moves, so you can aim it kind of like so, and flip it down to your work, you know, kind of looking like that. Can we kind of give you what it would look like looking through them, maybe? Nah. But so you get the whole picture, what I'm saying. A lot of functionalities on this, like this here. I like this, how that moves, you know what I mean? You can really get it into your eyes, field of view, LED. I love the strap. Let me show you how to put them on real quick. It's a little tough to press the button and get it back off. Let's try this one. There you go. And then you just pop this in, and then that's what you're left with. You want to wear them as glasses, so. Like I said, I like the strap, really cool. Comes in a nice little box. Like I said, I usually just keep everything in a box. You just pull that back out. There's no release clamp or anything on that. Gives you a nice little storage place to keep your lens in at. I'll give you another hint with these. That's a good trick. If you fly FPV and you have got box goggles, I mounted a set of these in front of my box goggles one time, and I could see so much better with that. So these lenses come in very handy for multiple things. I'll leave this set fully together because, like I said, I know before when I had one, I really liked it, and I gave it to my dad, like I said, because, you know, helped him out seeing different things. So yeah, that's what it's all about. And Neil, I appreciate you. CaptCook, go check him out, guys. Link in the description down below. He sent this in with a little gift. He said this is for your old eyes. So my old eyes really appreciate you, man. They'll definitely appreciate you when I go messing with them smaller whoops and stuff like that now, because of the magnification that this stuff does. So keep them in a nice little box, keep them in good shape. Appreciate you again, Neil. Thank you. Guys, check it out. CaptCook. Thank you guys for watching.